What's going on? What's going on, guys? I got something special coming in today. Sorry I haven't been posting lately, but I got tied up with school, and like I mentioned before, filming with the GoPro is a lot difficult because I have to go in and edit the audio, and I don't really have time to be editing all that. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be getting a new camera today, so we'll wait for that to come in today, and then I'll show you an unboxing of it. Let's get it. Okay guys, so the package just came in, and I'm doing a little test right now. I'm gonna be recording with my GoPro in 4K, and I'm gonna be recording with my Galaxy 8 on its normal settings, and I'm gonna be unboxing the camera. So let's see what we got. I ordered the camera off of Amazon, so I'm going to be putting a link in the description below. If you guys want to order the same camera that I purchased, I'll be putting that link in the description. So here it is, guys. The camera that I went with is the Canon EOS M50, as you can see. Comes in a small package. Let's see what we have inside the box. Okay, so fresh out of the box, we got some manuals, a little promo card, looks to be a lanyard for your camera, nice, with a logo Canon on it. Have a little battery for it. It even has a little reader, so you could see what kind of battery it is and order it again, I guess. I'll need to do that actually because I need an extra battery. This is a little charging station. It would be cool if it had two slots for two batteries, but it only comes with one, as I can see right now. I don't know if this top part opens up, but I mean, not bad. One's gonna be in the camera and one's gonna be on the station, but it'd be cool if you could charge two batteries at the same time. So when you're sleeping at night, you could just put them both on one and won't have to worry about swapping them out. But you could buy one of those anyway, so. Alright, so that's it for inside the box, and it's well slotted so that the camera was sitting right in the middle so it doesn't get damaged, so good job with that. And here's the camera itself, bubble wrapped, and then it's wrapped again. Here it is, guys. So I chose to go with the white finish, and I was expecting a lot bigger camera, but I mean, I've been watching YouTube videos of it, and on the videos the camera zooms in on it, so it's very compact. It feels very light. I thought the people recording the videos were just trying to sell off the camera. I'm not a photographer. I don't really know a lot about cameras. This one feels very plasticky though. It feels so light that the materials feel plasticky, and that white finish gives it a sleeker finish. The rubber part is very good though. It lets you grip on, so that's good. I have no problem holding it with one hand, and my hand is very comfortable on there. As you can see, this one comes with the flip screen, so when you're taking videos, you could see yourself like that. And that's one of the things that sold me on this camera, because I was gonna go with the Canon G7X, but that camera flips up. And what I'm gonna be doing is attaching a aftermarket microphone, because a lot of cameras microphones aren't that good quality, and I'll be attaching a microphone on top, so that really helps that the flip screen is on the side there. So I'm very happy with that. Here's a lens. So what I really like about this camera, and why I went with this camera, even though it's a little bit more expensive than the G7 Mark II, is because it has lenses you could attach to it. So this is the normal lens, which I heard no complaint about, not really anything negative. The price is right for this camera with this lens, and the lens is very light itself as well. And the thing about this camera is that you could buy more expensive lenses to make your shot wider, to make it do pretty much customize it the way you want it to be. With some of the lenses you just need an adapter, and then you could adapt many lenses, not just the M series lenses. So I found that very cool, and I got it for that reason, that I could upgrade and I didn't have to stick with the level of lens that it comes with. After I feel more comfortable shooting and I know what I want from the camera, I'll be able to upgrade it. So that's cool. So other than that, what I want this another thing I wanted this camera for is because not only do I record vlogs, I'm gonna be recording vlogs of me working on my car, but I just started painting, as you can see. I just started painting, and I got my material right there. And I'm gonna be doing time lapses of my painting, so people could see the process that I go through with painting. As you can see, I was working on this one at first. That's the first painting I ever did, and I'll be doing a lot more of these. I already got a few friends requesting paintings for me to do. That's actually for a friend right there, and I'm gonna be doing time-lapse videos on those as well, and uploading them on YouTube, because our community, being that I have a Miata, being that people in the car community like anime as well, I'm pretty sure you guys would like to see things like that, because a lot of JDM cars have stickers of anime characters, whether it be Naruto, One Piece, Dragon Ball Z, anything like that, even Pokemon. I like things like that too, and I like watching anime, so I'm gonna go ahead and record those videos and upload them to my YouTube channel, because I'm sure other car enthusiasts would appreciate them too, and maybe even want to request me to do something for them. So yeah, I'll be uploading that with this new camera. I got a few things lined up with the camera, and I'm also going to be doing a video with my family, because we're gonna get dressed up for Halloween and show you guys our costumes, so stay tuned for that.